What's up, ladies and gentlemen, everybody out there? It's Philip20, and I'm back. I'm doing something interesting. I don't know if you guys are interested in gold recovery, but what I've got going on right now, I've got some aqua regia working over there. We've got aqua regia draining and filtering through here. It's really cloudy. I got to filter a few times. I got a really small funnel, and I'm working with a lot of material, so you know, it's unfortunate. But we've got stannous chloride testing. This one is this aqua regia here. This one is that aqua regia here. And I was cleaning out some jars, making sure I didn't lose anything. Looks like we got aqua with a little bit of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid, and it immediately showed this right here too. So all three of those have gold in it. I have to let everything settle out. You see that pink solution over there? It was really purple earlier, and I believe it's tin, chloride, and gold mixed together. So I have to let it all settle to the bottom, vacuum the liquid on the top, and then put it into solution to dissolve it with aqua regia. And I've gotten a little bit of gold already. I don't have it right here in front of me. I don't leave anything outside. So it's looking good. I built this fume hood. I've got glass over there in that cardboard. It's going to go right here, and I should be able to move it up and down later. But first I got to clean up this entire mess. I have to get rid of this mess before I start doing some construction work on here. Looks really cool to me, and I think that you guys might enjoy this. You know, this has been a really long update. I've had some injuries, and it's took me out of doing anything for a very long time. And I figured that I would share everything that I'm doing with you guys on YouTube. And I'm following from the start Street Tips. He's a really cool guy, and this is what I have learned from him. But also I have been studying it through the book he suggested, and I think it's a good book. Maybe I will put a link in the description below for that specific book. It's Precious Metal Waste Recovery, you know. So, I mean, I'm kind of in a pickle. My vacuum pump is dead, so I'm going to, you know, slowly drip it in. This stuff is just working with junk material that's not really high quality gold starting out. It really takes a long time, you know. But and I ran out of acetylene, so my acetylene's empty, and I have to go get some of that. And you know, it's going to be super fun for everybody. I plan on doing a bunch of gold videos because it doesn't require a whole lot of strain or strenuous exercises, because I can't really do anything now. Maybe I can get better. Everybody pray for me. I'm praying too. This is Philip20 with solar power, electricity, and electronics, and this is a sneak peek for some stuff coming up at the beginning of the year.